Which bus goes to the park?
Hello, can I help you?
Yes. Which bus goes to the park?
Which park are you visiting?
Central Park, near downtown.
Bus 12 goes there.
Great. Thank you.
It stops across the street.
Across the street, right.
Yes, the blue bus stop.
I see it now.
The bus arrives every 15 minutes.
Is the next bus soon?
Yes, about 5 minutes.
That's perfect. Thank you.
Do you have a bus pass?
No, I need a ticket.
You can buy one on board.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, cash is accepted.
That's good. I have cash.
Keep your ticket until arrival.
Okay, I'll remember that.
The ride takes 20 minutes.
Morning at the bakery.
Good morning. Welcome to our bakery.
Good morning. Everything smells wonderful.
Fresh bread is ready today.
I'd like some breakfast, please.
We have bread and pastries.
Which pastry is most popular?
Our cinnamon rolls sell quickly.
I'll try one, please.
Would you like fresh coffee?
Yes, a small coffee, please.
Cream or sugar today?
Just cream, thank you.
Anything else this morning?
One blueberry muffin also.
That's a great choice.
It looks very delicious.
Will you eat here?
Yes, I'll eat here.
A table is available.
Great, I see it.
Your order will be ready.
How much is everything?
It's $12 altogether.
That's reasonable, I think.
Cash or card today?
I'll pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Done. Did it work?
Yes, your payment is complete.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thanks. Have a great morning. Buying clothes.
Welcome. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a jacket.
What size do you wear?
Medium. I usually wear medium.
We have several new styles.
Can I see the blue one?
Of course. Here it is.
It looks very nice.
Would you like to try it?
Yes. Where is the fitting room?
It's at the back.
I'll be back soon.
Take your time.
I like the fit. A lot.
It looks good on you.
Do you have this in black?
Yes, one black jacket remains.
May I see it, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
I like the black one.
It's very popular this season.
How much does it cost?
It's $65 today.
That's within my budget.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I'll take it.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, thank you.
You can pay right here.
I'll use my card.
Your payment is approved.
Thanks for your help today.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new jacket.
At the petrol station.
Hello, how can I help?
Hi, I need some gasoline.
Sure. Which pump are you using?
Pump number 6 outside.
Regular or premium gasoline?
Regular, please.
How much would you like?
$40, please.
Will you pay now?
Yes, with my card.
Please insert your card here.
Okay, it's ready now.
Your payment was approved.
Great, thank you.
Yes, it's beside the store.
My tires need more air.
The air pump is free.
Really? That's nice.
Do you need windshield fluid?
Yes. Where can I find it?
It's inside the convenience store.
I'll buy 1 bottle.
We also have motor oil.
Not today. Thank you.
Your car should be ready.
Everything was very easy.
That's what we like.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Drive safely.
Thanks. Have a great day. At the checkpoint.
Good afternoon. May I help you?
Yes, I'm visiting this building.
May I see your identification?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Who are you visiting?
I'm meeting David on 5th floor.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, at 2 o'clock.
Let me check the visitor list.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Yes, I found your name.
Great, thank you.
Please wear this visitor badge.
Of course, I'll wear it.
Yes, I found your name.
Great, thank you.
Please wear this visitor badge.
Of course, I'll wear it.
Keep it visible at all times.
Okay, I understand.
The elevators are behind you.
Which floor should I choose?
Please press floor number 5.
5th floor. Got it.
Turn right after the elevator.
Right after the elevator. Okay.
The office is at the end.
That sounds easy. Thanks.
Please return the badge later.
Yes, I won't forget.
Enjoy your meeting today.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thanks. Goodbye. The talkative taxi driver.
Good afternoon. Where are you going?
Downtown, to my hotel, please.
Sure, it's about 20 minutes.
Great, thank you.
Is this your first visit?
Yes, I arrived this morning.
Welcome. You'll like this city.
I hope so. It looks nice.
Where are you visiting from?
I'm from Seattle, actually.
That's a beautiful city too.
Yes, I like living there.
Are you here for work?
Yes, a short business trip.
Business trips are always busy.
They usually are, unfortunately.
Don't forget to enjoy yourself.
I'll try, after my meetings.
The food here is excellent.
Which restaurant do you recommend?
Try the Italian place downtown.
That sounds delicious. Thanks.
They make fresh pasta daily.
I love fresh pasta.
Then you'll leave very happy.
I probably will.
We're almost at your hotel.
The ride felt very quick.
Talking makes time pass faster.
You're a great storyteller.
Thanks. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Negotiating at a street market.
Hello. Looking for something today?
Yes, I like this handbag.
It's one of our best sellers.
It looks very nice. Really.
Feel the material. It's strong.
It feels good. I like it.
The price is $40.
$40? That's higher.
It's a very good bag.
Could you lower the price?
I can offer $35.
That's better, but still expensive.
It will last many years.
Could you make it 30?
30 is a little low.
My budget is only 30.
Let me think for a moment.
I'd really like to buy it.
Okay, $32 today.
That's close. Thank you.
I'll include a small wallet.
Really? That's very kind.
It's a special offer today.
Then I'll take it.
Great choice. Anything else today?
Maybe a small keychain?
This one matches your handbag.
I like that one.
Your total is $35.
I'll pay with my card.
I'll process your payment.
Your payment is complete.
Thank you for the good deal. You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
The lost watch at security.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I can't find my watch.
Where did you last see it?
It's at the security checkpoint, maybe.
Did you remove it there?
Yes, before the security scan.
What does it look like?
It's silver with a black band.
Let me check the counter.
Thank you. I hope it's there.
Please wait here a moment.
Okay, I'll wait.
I found a silver watch.
Really? Could it be mine?
Does it have a round face?
Yes, it does.
Is your name inside it?
Yes, Emily Parker.
Then this is your watch.
That's wonderful. Thank you.
Many travelers forget small items.
I was thinking about my flight.
That happens very often.
I'm very happy now.
Please check your belongings again.
Good idea. I'll check everything.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, it's in my bag.
Then you're ready to travel.
Perfect. Thanks again.
Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bank fraud alert call.
Hello, this is Riverbank.
Hello, I received your message.
Thanks for calling us today.
Is everything okay with my account?
We noticed unusual card activity.
Really? I didn't buy anything.
Did you shop online today?
No, I stayed home.
We found 2 large purchases.
Those purchases were not mine.
Thank you for confirming that.
What should I do now?
We'll block your current card.
Okay, that's probably best.
We'll send a replacement card.
That's good. Thank you.
It should arrive next week.
Can I still use my account?
Yes, your account remains active.
That's a big relief.
Please review recent transactions.
I will check them today.
Report anything you don't recognize.
I understand. I'll do that.
We'll investigate the purchases immediately.
Thank you for acting quickly.
You're welcome. We're happy to help.
I appreciate your support.
Is there anything else today?
No, everything is clear now.
Have a safe and pleasant day.
Thank you. Goodbye. At the car wash.
Welcome. How can I help?
Hi, I'd like a car wash.
We have 3 wash packages.
Which one is most popular?
The deluxe wash is popular.
What does it include?
It includes washing and drying.
Does it clean the wheels?
Yes, wheel cleaning is included.
That sounds perfect. Thanks.
Would you like interior cleaning?
Yes, my car needs it.
We'll vacuum the seats too.
Great. I wanted that.
The service takes 20 minutes.
Can I wait inside?
Yes, our waiting area is comfortable.
Do you have free coffee?
Yes, coffee is free today.
That's a nice surprise.
May I have your car keys?
Of course. Here they are.
Thank you. We'll start now.
I'll wait inside.
We'll call your name later.
Perfect. Thank you.
Your car will look great.
I hope it shines today.
I'm sure it will.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Drive safely.
Thanks. Have a wonderful day. The broken shower.
Hello, how can I help?
Hi, my shower isn't working.
I'm sorry to hear that.
The water won't come out.
When did this happen?
It started this morning, suddenly.
Is the sink working?
Yes, the sink is fine.
Then it's only the shower.
Yes, I think so.
Are you staying in room 214?
Yes, that's my room.
I'll send maintenance right away.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Someone will arrive soon.
About how long?
Around 20 minutes.
That's not too long.
Will you be in your room?
Yes, I'll stay there.
Please keep your phone nearby.
Okay, I will.
We'll call before arriving.
That's very helpful.
We apologize for the trouble.
Thank you for helping quickly.
We'll fix it today.
Then I can finally relax.
A warm shower always helps.
I completely agree.
Have a comfortable stay.
Thank you. Have a great day.